The financial services space is at a critical juncture, and the normalization of cryptocurrency is a major part of this. However, its integration into the day-to-day lives of consumers is going to take large-scale collaboration across industry and government. Amber Group is a leader in digital asset trading and infrastructure. They are actively working across the ecosystem, from a sports team interested in producing an NFT to governments pursuing the future of fintech.
Michael, welcome. Anthony, the crypto space seems to be exploding here. But how is Amber and Whalefin differentiating itself in an increasingly crowded crypto exchange space?
A lot of the offering in the crypto space are still exchanges or some sort of marketplaces, where if you have a marketplace, the value is, you want the customers to come, they pick whether they want to buy and sell, you match that, and that's your services. You come to our platform, we want to guide you. We want to help you. We want to offer you products and services that you can understand, that you can benefit from, that you do not need to have all the expertise to benefit from. So in a way, if you look at Whalefin, it's a digital wealth crossing over to digital lifestyle kind of platform. It helps all our global customers to build your wealth digitally, grow that wealth digitally, while enjoy a digital lifestyle. And a lot of that, again, comes back down to our ability to provide services through technology, through products.
We had in Web 1, e-commerce really drove the adoption, social media in Web 2. So what is it in your view in Web 3 that's just going to put this over the top?
Like you said, if you look across Web 1, Web 2, there's always a killer user case, right, before the whole adoption happens. I think in Web 3, that's going to be, the hyper-financialization of everything. But once everything is digitized, they're just data sets. Now, blockchain, all it does, it provides a very neat, elegant solution for these data sets to be easily ownable. So now suddenly they become digital assets. Now everything you do, commerce, like you mentioned, e-commerce, social platforms, games, everything you do suddenly involves assets. It becomes financial transactions. Now every business in this now Web3 economy has to be a financial business, has to be a financial services business. And therefore, we are entering this hyper-liquid, hyper-financial world where customers are not just customers. They're owners of assets. They're creators of assets. Every action they do are also a financial transaction. And therefore, for that to happen, I think what Amber Group is providing is a service infrastructure to fill that gap so that end customer or other companies who are not financial experts who don't
can all participate.
Exactly. They can actually participate in this Web3 economy.
When it comes to participants, volatility is top of mind for a lot of people right now, and there's a lot of hesitation.
No question.
What do you think people need to know if they're engaging in this space?
I think exactly a lot of focuses is on the price volatility or the price actions, because right now, trading and in a way speculation is still probably the biggest use case of crypto. The first successful use case, but it has to go beyond that for crypto, for Web3 economy to truly go mainstream. And we are starting to see that. We start to see a lot of the new crypto native business models that actually face consumers that are non-financial in a way, that are definitely not just about speculation. So in the end of the day, we will have customers, companies, individuals that do not need to worry about the underlying price volatility or price action, while they can still benefit from this crypto economy, benefit from the ownership of these assets, benefit from the long-term wealth generation of this asset class.
The utility function of blockchain and crypto is also a big, important thesis.
That's probably the most important part, actually, about this crypto economy or about the Web3 economy. You actually have to give utility to all these tokens, to all these NFTs. Otherwise, they are just speculation instruments. Nowhere. Exactly. So the smartest entrepreneurs are building all kinds of new crypto native business models. They're creating all the crypto economies, right? And again, with the service layer, which we are building, you should bring mainstream customers, all kinds of companies, consumer brands into it so that, the two ends can connect and then you can have truly this Web3 economy.
Well, and on that point, what are the business models, Michael, that you're most excited about?
Oh, we are excited about all kinds of business models, starting from all the play to earn, move to earn, all the basically crypto economy that incentivizing early adopters through tokens, right? To all the utility NFTs. I think right now people think about NFTs, still think of them as collectibles, as profile pictures. But I think a lot of them will start to have more and more utilities, whether that's gaming, whether that's social engagement, or whether that connects to real world in terms of digital sales or digital engagement. Once they are there, once we can connect these to the end customers, I think the Web3 economy will arrive much earlier than a lot of people expect.